I'll show you how to also make $20 to $30 per day on Bybit this year. So I'm just on my laptop here and also on my smartphone. By the time you finish watching this video, you know a particular way that can help you make money online just from your smartphone or your PC using the Bybit app. So even when we come to day trading, right, we have a website called CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is used, it has a lot of information that you can use to either determine whether a coin is going to go down or a coin is going to go up. So I'm going to show you risk management, how to find a coin, how to determine whether the market is going to go up or go down, how to enter a trade, position sizing. I'll also show you what limit orders and market orders are, so that you can also start making money on Bybit. You can see this is the Bybit app. If you are new to my channel, my name is Askanda. Make sure you subscribe, because tomorrow I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use TradingView so that you can also start cashing out big money. Click the first link and join the Telegram group. And if you don't have a Bybit account, you can use the second link so that you get 50 USDT cashback when you use my link. This video will help you make $50 daily from Bybit app, right? This morning I shared a video on how to trade on KuCoin, and I even give a copy and paste strategy, and the trade really went well. I made about $40 from that trade. My intention was just to use the trade and create a YouTube tutorial for you guys. So I've just decided to help you use the same strategy on the Bybit app. So you know, some of my students are from Canada, others are from Australia, Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, and the apps are not available in all the countries. Philippines are battling with Binance right now, so some of them are moving to Bybit and KuCoin. So that's why I'm doing this video, so that in case your country you are not able to use Binance or Bybit, you can either use KuCoin or you can even use OKX. So this video, I'm going to show you how to make $50 daily with the Bybit app. So make sure you follow my instructions, because at the end of this video too, I'll share a website that can help you predict the direction of a coin. Because we are day traders, we are always thinking about the short term, how we can make profit in the short term. So just watch the cursor as I show you a step-by-step process on how to also start earning passive income from your smartphone using Bybit app. Okay, so if I click on the derivative section, so what I want you to know is that on Binance the features is called MUSDT features, on KuCoin is called features, but on Bybit we call it derivatives. Okay, so you are going to click on the middle button. You can see on the Bybit homepage we have home, market, derivative, trade, and assets. The reason why I'm purposely doing the video on my smartphone is 90% of we day traders use our smartphones to enter our trades. We only use our PCs to do technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and sentimental analysis. If you want to learn more about all these things, you can click the second link in the video description so that you join the Telegram group and text me on WhatsApp so that I can add you to the private mentorship group, right? So if I want to trade on Bybit and make $50, it's just going to be straight and simple. I'll just click on the trade section. So when I click on the trade section, you can see my account balance is $60 on my Bybit derivative. So if it was on Binance, we will say on our Binance futures wallet, but right now we are on Bybit, so we'll say that we have 60 USDT in our Bybit derivatives wallet, right? We have our position here, orders, tools. I'll explain everything for you. At the end of this video, you understand all these things. So you have the chart section here. Looking at the chart right now, Bitcoin is making an uptrend. So there are usually some coins that you can use to trade and make profit when Bitcoin is making an uptrend or downtrend. These coins react to Bitcoin very fast. One of the coins is called Link. link chain. Okay, the second one is called DYDX. We also have FTM, and we have Solana. So anytime that Bitcoin is moving up, Ethereum will be moving up, right? Ethereum can go to 2 to 3% if Bitcoin is moving up, and if Bitcoin is dropping, Ethereum can drop up to 4%. Link 2 is the same thing. We also have FTM. If Bitcoin is consolidating, majority of the altcoins will be falling. When I say altcoins, I'm simply saying alternative coins that are different from Bitcoin. We can say that Bitcoin is the father of all coins, all crypto coins. Okay, so now that we know the difference between altcoins and we have just deposited $60, let's say we are going to take a trade, right? I'm currently looking to enter a let's look at the chart right now. So if I click here, we have the chart. I'm currently looking at Bitcoin to be making an uptrend, right? Bitcoin just dropped, as I told you, in the morning, and now it's trying to go back to the nearest resistance zone. So because Bitcoin is moving to the nearest resistance zone, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. For me, I only trade using the 4-hour time frame. Right now, Bitcoin is making a downtrend, so we can go and sell link, right? Remember what I said. If Bitcoin is consolidating, link is usually falling. Okay, so I can go to the trade section and I'll click on the BTC USDT, right? At the right hand side, just look at where my cursor is. So we are going to select link. So I'll type in the search box here, link, then I'll select. Okay, so we select link here. Now we are going to sell link. Always leave it at cross margin, right? So when you say cross margin is you want to use all your money in the wallet as collateral. If you use isolated margin, you are going to divide the money into your positions. For me, I've observed that those who do swing trading, those who hold trades for 2 to 3 weeks, they usually use isolated margin because of news events. But if you're a day trader, you can go for cross margin because we can just close our trades within 24 hours. So I'll now change the leverage to 50x leverage. So that's the borrowed amount we can use for now. We only have 50x leverage. You can change the limit to market, right? So always change the limit to market. Where you are currently seeing my cursor, the right hand side, we call it the order book. So those on top are the sellers and those at the down are the buyers. At any moment in time, when you are buying, someone is selling. When you think the market is going down, someone thinks the market is going up. For me, currently, I'm thinking the market is going to drop because Bitcoin is currently consolidating. And if Bitcoin is consolidating, remember what I told you, the altcoins usually fall in value. So we are going to sell link because link react to Bitcoin like it was the sun. So what we are going to do is we are just going to enter a short position on link. So let me just enter the position, right? So I can enter the position by using some part of my margin. So let's say I want to use $14 on this position. I can click on the TP/SL, then I'll click on short position here. So I'm thinking link can even go down to like $17. So if link goes down to $17, we are going to make 91 USDT. So our profit will be 91 USDT. Then I can now put my stop loss at $20. So if link goes up to $20, we are going to lose $18. So we are risking about $18 from the $60 to make $91. This is how trading is. If you are risking 10%, you should be able to make 30% back. Anytime you are going to enter a trade, ask yourself how much you are risking. Can you make 4 or 5 times of it or 3 times of it? That's why sometimes I always come out winning, because my risk to reward is 1:3. When we say risk to reward, we are simply saying, if I give you $1, how much will you give me back? And in trading, your strategy should be able to help you. So I'll just click on sell here. The market is currently dropping, right? So we just sold link. I'm saying that anytime you are going to enter a trade, make sure that if you risk $10, you should be able to make $30, minimum $25 back, because there will come a time that you will just be losing money. So for now, let's go to the position section. So I've just added my stop loss and take profit. So if I go to the orders section, when I go to orders section, we have something we call trigger price. So the trigger price shows your stop loss and take profit. So you can see trigger price 17 USDT. So 17 USDT is my take profit. So if link drop down to 17 USDT, I'm going to make a profit of $91. If link goes up to $20, I'm going to lose $18.2 from my account. That's the $60, now $45 because of the margin. If you want to know how much you are currently making, click on the positions bar here. So when you click on the position bar, we have unrealized PNL. So the unrealized PNL shows how much you are currently making on the trade. So you can see on this trade, I've just made 0.1 cents. So what I want to tell you is this: if you want to make money day trading crypto, there are particular times you should be trading. You should be trading from Monday to Friday, either London session or New York session. The London session open around 8 a.m. GMT and the New York session open around 2:30 p.m. GMT. So if you are going to take a trade from Monday to Friday, make sure you are taking a trade from this time frame, because if you don't take a trade from this time frame and you take a trade during weekend, you might lose your money. The market is usually manipulated during weekend. Okay, so if I want to share this trade, I can just click on the share button at the corner here. This is the current trade right now. Okay, I can cancel this and go back. If I want to close the trade too, it's very simple and straightforward. So I'll just click on the trade derivative section. So I want to explain this for you, right? We have what we call set TP/SL. So if you want, you can set your stop loss and take profit and take the position, or you can take the position and now come and set your take profit and stop loss. When we say TP means take profit, your target price, where you want the market to reach so that you can cash out your profit. And we have the stop loss. The stop loss is where you want to exit the market should in case the price doesn't go well. Right now we are predicting that link will go to $17. If link decide to go to $20, we are going to lose $18. Okay, so now we have to set a stop loss automatically so that we don't just lose all the money here. So the stop loss will help us close the position even when we are not around, because we can't just be holding our phone and be watching it. I also want to tell you that when you enter a trade, there are only 4 things you can do. I've been telling my students, this is how I've been able to grow my account. If you enter a trade and the trade is going well, you can move your stop loss to entry, right? You can move your stop loss to entry. So this is what I usually do. If I enter a trade and the trade is able to reach 100 plus or 200 plus ROI, I usually close 50% of my profit and move my stop loss to entry. Are you listening? If you enter a trade and the trade is going well, the trade have reached 200% ROE, that's return on investment, you can close 50% profit, or you can like move your stop loss to entry. So for me, I usually close 50% of my profit and move my stop loss to entry, so that even if the trade come back and hit my stop loss and my entry, I'll still break even, I'll still make profit from it. Then we have what we call partial close, like I just mentioned. Trailing stop, I don't advise you use it, just use the other one. So the other 2 methods that I want you to keep in mind is, if you enter a trade and the trade is not going well, there are only two things you can do. You can either leave the trade to hit your stop loss, or you close it in loss. For me, when I enter a trade, I don't close it, I just leave it to hit my stop loss. Okay, but if the trade is moving well, it's able to achieve 100 plus or 120, I'm able to get 200 plus ROE, I just click on close buy. So when I click on close buy, I can decide whether I want to close 10%, 25% or 50%. So this is how you trade on Bybit app. The last video I showed you how to trade on KuCoin. By the time this trade will be over, that will be tomorrow, and I'll make around $50 to $90 on this position. So I'll be updating you guys. Remember, at the beginning of the video, I told you that I will share a particular website that can help you and or know whether the market is going to go down or go up. So close the Bybit app, then we'll go to a website called CoinMarketCap, right? So CoinMarketCap contain all the data of coins. I would like you to be using it on your PC. Because I'm using it on my smartphone, it will be very hard for me to do the analysis. But go and watch some of my videos as I explain to you how to use CoinMarketCap. So CoinMarketCap will help you know the volume traded on a particular coin. It will also help you decide the coin to trade. They show you where the coins are listed, how the coin have performed in the weekly time frame, daily time frame, whether people are buying the coin or whether people are selling the coin. They even give you the where people are currently investing in the coin and their social media platforms. So for example, if I'm going to trade Solana right now and I click on Solana Sol here, right, this particular website will tell me whether this coin is registered or not registered. If I go to the market section, they will tell me where the coin is listed. So if you are going to trade a coin, make sure you check if the coin is listed on Binance and Bybit or KuCoin or Coinbase. You can also check whether it's listed on Kraken or OKX. If the coin is not listed in any of these big exchanges, don't trade it. That means it's a shit coin. Then we also have the news section. This is where I usually get my fundamentals. I also use investing.com. So if you come here and you see like, okay, people are talking or people are saying negative things about this coin, that means it's just a matter of time, the coin will dump. But if people are talking positive news about the coin will surely rise. So before you take a trade on a particular coin, you go to the market section to check where it's listed. If it's listed on Binance, Bybit, KuCoin or OKX or Kraken or Coinbase, then that means you can trade it. Then you also go to the news section to know the fundamental analysis, what people are currently saying about the coin, what the news are saying. We also have portfolio here and we have historical data. So the historical data, as I was telling you, they show you what the daily close is, the daily open, the price, all these things, right? So if you want to know everything about the coin, you can go to the historical data. CoinMarketCap is one of the best applications for cryptocurrency. So I'll tell you that, learn more about how to use the CoinMarketCap. So make sure to click the first link so that you can get yourself a Bybit account. You can also click the second link to join my Telegram channel where I share my trading signals with my students. So if you want to copy and paste and make passive income, I'll be waiting for you in the VIP section. Subscribe. My name is Askanda, and if you have any problem, just comment down below and I'll surely reply to you. The next video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Bitget. So make sure to subscribe. You can also share this video to a friend. So let's go back to Bybit to see how our position is doing. For me, when I enter a trade, I usually give it like 2 to 3 hours. As I was telling you, from Monday to Friday, when you enter a trade within the trading sessions that I mentioned earlier on in this video, no one will tell you whether you are at the right side of the market or wrong side. When I say wrong side of the market, that means your direction was wrong. But if you are at the right side of the market, you'll be in profit. So right now the coin is consolidating, and I'm sure getting to tomorrow, that will be 17th February, this account will be around $90 or $80. So if you have any questions, just comment down below, and see you in the next video. Remember what I told you, the unrealized PNL shows how much you are currently making. Then we have the other section. So the other section have the take profit, which is the targeted price where we want to cash out. Then we have the stop loss, where we want to exit the market should in case the trade is not going well for us. So if you have any questions, just comment down below. I'll be waiting for you in the VIP channel. See you in the next video.